loud. Ooh. She's so loud. So I am got up a little early today. I'm gonna go right now for lunch, between lunch and breakfast, because right now it's 11. My van time is 12. So I'm gonna go next door, get me some gumbo. I'm like in love with gumbo, so every time I come to this particular hotel I always go get gumbo, and I'll be leaving in a few minutes. Okay, so this gumbo, they make it with chicken and sausage, and this is a rice on the side. So it is spicy, but it's so good. There's no seafood in there, so I mean, but they still call it gumbo. It is what it is. So just got on the plane, did my pre-flight checks, and we are on the 321 today. My original crew members and 2 other more crew members got on to the 321. Oh my gosh, guys, look at my eyelashes. Like, this baby ain't gonna stay for nobody's business. She ain't gonna stay today. Ooh, Lord, she's on a different level today. What is... Okay, like, this right here, I'm gonna have to go fix this eyelash real quick, because she's going crooked. She's like this way. So it's gonna be an hour 52 minutes flight time to Orlando, and then we have a 3-hour sit to wait for the other plane to come in. Look at it outside, guys. Oh, look at American Airlines. Oh my goodness, like, American, I'll see you. So I'll check back with you guys when we are in Orlando, and I'm gonna fix this eyelash because this eyelash is bothering the heck out of me. So I just turned the light off, and I'm gonna take me a quick nap before we start boarding. Oh, it's gonna be a 2-hour flight, and I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna take me like a 30-minute nap, and then yeah, probably start boarding in a few minutes. Good night. Okay guys, so I am here at my hotel, finally arrived. This is my bathroom. I never seen the bathrooms like this before. Then you have the toilet here, and then you have the shower. But this is my first time seeing it, the walls over there set up like this in the bathroom at a hotel, but hey. And then you have an area here which you make your coffee, and the refrigerator here. They don't have a microwave in the room, so I guess I have to go downstairs to the microwave. And then this is my room. So this space right here is empty. I mean, I don't know what they were thinking about putting here, maybe another bed, I don't know, but this is an empty spot, which is weird. And here is the closet area, TV, and a little desk area. The couch over there. Pretty sure there's nothing outside. Nothing here to see. No, nothing out there. Oh, they have a little area downstairs. Probably you guys will see tomorrow. So this is my room for tonight, and I have a 15-hour layover, and then I'm back out tomorrow. So yeah, this is a vlog for tonight. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Okay, good morning guys. So right now I am ready, and my van time is at 2 p.m. Oh, my face looks so dark. I think I put on way too much makeup this time, but whatever, so it was real. So yeah, I'm going to wait. I didn't even put on mascara. What the? You know what? It's go home day. I ain't worrying about it. Whatever. So I'm gonna go pick up my food. I ordered some food at this restaurant down the street, and I ordered online. So it's supposed to be ready at 1:30. So I'm trying to go there a little earlier so I can get it. So yeah, man, outside is very cold. Like, I'm hoping this is the restaurant I placed the order for, 'cause It would have sucked if I placed the order for a different restaurant. That would be crazy. This is like a nice place to do like a photo shoot and stuff, but it's just that it's cold, man. Like I brought some items to do a photo shoot, but then when I checked the weather report, it was like 40 something degrees. I was like, that's just too cold for me. So hoping this is the right spot, which is not too far for me to walk to. And they have a lot of more food places over here. So I'm gonna show you guys the restaurant. So here is the restaurant that I ordered my food. Can't wait to go in. I ordered some ribs and some potatoes, mac and cheese. So I can't wait. It's cute. So I end up adding a sweet potato wedges to my order. There's no one here, really. There's like 2 little people here. I mean, it's still early. It's 1 in the afternoon, and they open all the way until 2 a.m. in the morning. So I'm pretty sure that they have business, maybe later on down. But yeah, it's very nice and cozy little spot. Okay, guys. So this is what I got at the restaurant. Mac and cheese, ribs, baked potato, bread, sweet potato with fries, and my coconut water. I'm ready to go in. You're right, it's very small.